Self-limiting beliefs. Each one of us grew up thinking about or having this made up belief that we are like this. For example, I am shy. I cannot do this or that. Making yourself fit inside that box and never really challenging yourself going outside that box and prevent yourself from having this self-limiting belief. But what if you try to slowly go out of your comfort zone through small actions that you could take each day consistently in order for you to disprove that self-limiting belief of yours. So if for example that you want to remove that self-limiting belief that you are shy, you would take a small action each day of maybe saying hi to your friend, initiating a conversation. It could be just greeting them hi or hello instead of your usual awkward and introverted upbringing of waiting for a person's response before you say anything. Or maybe you want to disprove the self-limiting belief that you cannot exercise, or you hate exercise, or maybe you labeled yourself as someone who is weak and cannot do any sports or exercise. What if you try it with small actions of maybe stretching, doing a stretching, or maybe a warm up, looking up on YouTube for a 1 minute or maybe 3 minutes warm up, and consider yourself as a person who exercises. Therefore, removing that self limiting belief that you are not a person who exercises. There are a lot of self limiting beliefs that we hold so deeply within us that it prevents us from improving ourselves and being a better person. So if I held on my self-limiting belief that I am not a great communicator, which is in my case, I consider myself not a great communicator, but I improved it by going outside my comfort zone and day by day really trying to improve the way I communicate with others and making videos of sharing what I have in mind. And through these small actions, I build up this identity of being a great communicator. So, consistency of those small actions in order for you to disprove that self-limiting belief that you want to disprove is a way for you to be better. And as you slowly disprove or remove that self-limiting belief one after to another, you find yourself that after 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, or maybe a decade progresses, or decade later, you are this different type of person. You are the person who you wanted to become 10 years ago. So, be consistent, do the small actions, and have this your self-limiting beliefs or your beliefs should be held loosely so that you could adjust and be flexible and the beliefs that you want to adopt to improve your life and be a better person.